Good day, grade 10 students. I'm your teacher Darwin, and for today's topic is about geometric series. But before we proceed with that, let's have first a simple recall on finding the nth term of a given geometric sequence. So recall on how to find the terms on a geometric sequence given the first term a sub 1 and the common ratio as r. So we have here two examples, a sub 1 is equal to 2 and r is equal to 4, and we need to find the sixth term or the a sub 6 for the first example. And for the second example, we have a sub 1 is equal to 1 half and r is equal to 6, and we need to find the fifth term or the a sub 5. So let's proceed. We can solve the unknown term or the a sub 6 for the first example by using the formula on geometric sequence. So we have here a sub 1 as 2 and r is equal to 4, and we need to find a sub 6. So substitute this given value to the formula. We have a sub 6 is equal to 2 times 4 raised to 6 minus 1. So the value of n is 6 because the unknown value is 6th term or a sub 6. So we simplify that. A sub 6 is equal to 2 times 4 raised to 5. And we have the final answer as 2048. And next, for the second example, we have a sub 1 is equal to 1 half and r is equal to 6. And we need to find the fifth term or the a sub 5. So again, substitute that all given to the formula. And we have a sub 5 is equal to 1 half times 6 raised to 5 minus 1. And simplify that, we have 1 half times 6 raised to 4. And our final answer is a sub 5 is equal to 648. And that's all for the review on finding the nth term of a given geometric sequence. And now let's proceed with the main topic for today, which is the geometric sequence, rather geometric series. So we have here geometric series, the expression formed by adding the terms of a geometric sequence. So in finding the sum of the first n terms of a geometric sequence, we use the formula S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n over the quantity of 1 minus r. So we use this to find the sum of a finite geometric series. So we substitute the value to the formula. We have the n, the a sub 1, and the common ratio. And just simplify that and we can have the sum of the given terms or a given sequence. So let's have an example for you to better understand what is geometric series. So find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series: 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, and 2048. So let's identify the given. A sub 1 is equal to 4, the first term. R is equal to 2, the common ratio. How can we find the common ratio? We use the technique of dividing the second term by the first term, or a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. We have here 8 divided by 4, and we can have 2 as our common ratio. And n is the terms to be added, or the number of terms to be added. So in this case, we need to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So the value of n is equal to 10. So now we use the formula S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n divided by the quantity of 1 minus r. So substitute the given a sub 1 as 4, Then 1 minus 2, or 1 minus r raised to 10. That is 1 minus 2 raised to 10 over the quantity of 1 minus 2. And after we simplify that, we can have 4 multiplied by 1023. And we have the answer as 4092. So the sum of the first 10 terms of the given geometric sequence or geometric series, that is equal to 4092, or S sub 10 is equal to 4092. Under example, find the sum of the first 8 terms of the given geometric series. So if you can see, we call this as geometric series because we have the addition symbol here. But if that is a comma, we call that as geometric sequence. So we need to identify the first term and the common ratio, and also what is the value of n, or the number of terms to be added, which is n. So we have a sub 1, the first term is 9, r as our common ratio, that is equal to 4, and n, the number of terms to be added, which is 8 terms. So we use the formula and substitute all the given. So a sub 1, that is 9. So 9 times the quantity of 1 minus 4 raised to 8 over 1 minus r, or 1 minus 4. So we have here s sub 8 is equal to 9 times negative 65,535 divided by negative 3. So now we have the final answer, s sub 8, or the sum of the first 8 terms of the given geometric series is equal to 196,605. So that's for the example for 8 terms. Next, third example, we have find the sum of the first 6 terms of the geometric series, negative 6 plus negative 30 plus negative 150 plus negative 750. So we have here again the formula, s sub n is equal to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. So we substitute the value of a sub 1 as negative 6. So the first term here is negative 6, and the common ratio can get by dividing the second term by the first term, or negative 30 divided by negative 6. So the answer for r is equal to 5. So negative 6 times the quantity of 1 minus 5 raised to 6 over 1 minus 5. So that is negative 6 times negative 15, 624 divided by negative 4. So the final answer for this example, s sub 6, or the sum of the first 6 terms of the given geometric series, is equal to negative 23,436. This is the final answer for the third example. And that's all for geometric series. And for you to master the idea of geometric series, I prepared some practice exercise here for you to solve. So that's all for geometric series. Thank you for watching.